Hello guys, I'm Kirby J and this is gonna be my first ever vlog. And for this vlog, I'm gonna be doing a Rubik's Cube competition vlog. So later I'm gonna be taking videos of me solving together with my friends and everything that's gonna happen later. So yeah, that's it guys, stay tuned. So yeah, we're ready and I'm together with my brother. We're gonna be early because we're gonna help setting up in the venue. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, we are here at SM. I forgot to tell you the venue is gonna be in Mactan. So in order to get there, we're gonna be riding my bus here in SM. Let's go. Here in the venue and it is so early. It's like 8:40 something and the competition is gonna start 10 a.m. So yeah, I guess we're gonna go for Jollibee and it's something. Yeah, so yeah, we just grabbed a hot chocolate and together with my friend Wayne, and we're going to the venue and start setting up. Now we're here together with the other organizers. Slugger.
I'm Sluggeries.
So yeah, we're gonna set up first. So yeah, we're done setting up in the venue. How are you?
I'm good. I'm not good yet because
So yeah, it's already 10 a.m. and we're late. And there is my friend. And anytime soon we're gonna be starting. Hopefully everything will go well. So yeah, they're starting about the demo. They're teaching the beginners on what to do. Yeah, I'm just here chilling because I'm so tired at helping the setup there. Look at the view. Looks nice. You think? Yeah. I think this is a nice place. Not that nice though, but yeah, it's nice. So yeah, at the start of the event, I'm gonna be scrambling. That sucks. Scrambling is, yeah, it's okay, but it's tiring. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna be scrambling now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing 2x2 and yeah, hopefully this goes well. Thank you. So me and my brother are gonna be doing 2x2. So what's your goal for 2x2?
Podium.
Yeah, podium is like to be first, second, or third. Hopefully you can get podium.
Bye.
But luckily I will get it. Yeah, hopefully. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm done 2x2. It didn't go well. I got like a 5 or 4 average. Yeah. So I hope 3x3 is gonna go well. See you at 3x3. Hello. So yeah, I'm gonna be scrambling again. These cubes, all of this. I'm gonna be scrambling together with this guy. So yeah, I'm so very tired because I'm so sick and I'm doing a lot of work in here. Yeah, like scrambling and stuff, judging. So tired, I can't even practice, you know. But yeah, I know I can get through all this. Yeah boy, let's do this. 3x3 is next. So yeah, watch my 3x3.
Ace June Aguirre, judges Nivin Besa, Lance Andrea, Isabel, Reyes Malugay, Jose Aquino, Jasper Marbella, Kirby J, Wayne Bai, Brian Acuña, and calling the judges, John Bon Labe, Jeff Cosorella, George Diaz, Royce Pansano, Alex Cabildo, Charles Montero, and Joe Tamalao.
Done doing 3x3 and I think I got a high 10 average. Yeah, that's a good average for me. Did a lot of practice on 3x3 and now it's gonna be blindfold. I didn't practice that too much. I hope I can get 1 success or maybe 3. Let's see. So this guy got this new record for
Blindfolded.
yeah, congrats to this guy.
128.8.
Yeah boy.
That's in the Philippines.
Yeah. Watch him dance. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. First ever sub 20. So yeah, OH didn't go too well, but I managed to get a PB, which is 18 seconds. Yeah, and next event is gonna be 4x4. Let's see what will I get. Hopefully it will be good. So yeah, I'm done 4x4 and I think I did good. And yeah, by the way, I'm here at the back because I'm shy doing vlog in there, so I'm here. So I think for now I'm gonna rest and wait for, yeah, it's gonna be next is gonna be 3x3 round 2. Until then, I will gain some rest because I'm so tired. So yeah, I think I'm gonna grab some food soon. Yeah.
Stop niya sa timer. Ikalit out 8.
So yeah, round 2, 3x3 didn't go well. I think I got a 12 average. Hopefully I will be able to reach finals with that average. They will only get top 10. Hopefully I will make it. And now, we're gonna be starting Mega Mix. And my goal for Mega Mix, hopefully below 110 or 120. That will do, just for records, yeah. Yeah, I'm back. So, oh my goodness, Mega Mings, yeah. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. But I got a 101, which is PB. Yeah, 101, 1 minute and 1 seconds. A lot, yeah. Then my average is like sub 115. I think, I don't know. I'm just happy about the sub 1. I'm just happy about the 1.01. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I didn't expect that one. It's so fast. Yeah, I'm so happy. Very, very happy. And next event is gonna be like pyramids. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I can tell. So happy right now. Yes, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hopefully I can get podium though. Heaven. Yeah, guys. Next event, pyramids. Yeah. So yeah, I'm here again. Pyramids didn't go well. I'm so tired. My body is giving up na. I'm so tired na. Want to rest. So after pyramids will be 5x5. Luckily, I didn't join it, so I can rest until finals. 3x3. Yeah, I'm in the 3x3 finals, and hopefully we'll do well. Let's see. In community. Look at this kid. Even though he has a disability, he still didn't give up and keeps solving. Wow. So yeah, it's finals. And I'm going together with Ethan. Ethan, hi.
Finalist, face up.
So yeah, the competition is done and now we're gonna wait for the awardee. Yeah boy. So Mactan Speedcubing is done and I managed to get a 1 medal with the Mings. And these guys got a lot of medals. So that concludes the Mactan Speedcubing Open. I managed to get 1 medal and you got 2 medals. Everybody is going home and this guy got a medal too.
Yeah boy. Single medal lang. Picture mo ba?
Going home. So yeah.